Me, Cam, and Mike, first trail we hit was Thistle Dew, and it was just a circus. Lots of problems, so we decided to go cut a new trail over at Locust Gap across the street. Here into a tree, and it was kind of hard to get it out, but we figured it out. It was unorthodox, but it worked really good. So follow along, hit that subscribe button, and hope you enjoy. If you're enjoying this East Coast content, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, drop a comment. It helps a lot. Thanks. Yo, straighten your rear. There you go. I blew a brake line coming down, so I'm not going through this because if you look, down there is a far way down. I wish the camera would zoom out more, but it's like this, and there's a drop right there. That's probably, I don't know, a 15-foot drop behind them. So this is not an easy thing. He's going to try to come up over here or over there. Yeah, boy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. So this new trail is called Fear Factor, and I hope we can extend it soon. Right now it's a total of a half a mile long, and we have the ability to make it close to over a mile. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the trail.